French at Home with Franco, Lesson 15. In this video we're going to be looking at the words de, du, de L' and des. De, when combined with the various words for the, translates as some. So look at the following table. De plus le equals du. Or it can translate as of or from. And the following table applies as well. De plus le equals du. So let's have a look at some examples. Le fromage. De plus le equals du to get some. Voici du fromage. Here's some cheese. Les souris. De plus les equals des. Voici des souris. Here are some mice. L'eau. J'ai de l'eau. I've got some water. J'ai de l'eau. Now let's have a look at de when it means of. And we're going to be looking at it in the sense of possession. Now, there's no apostrophe S in French. So how do we say something like Franco's dog? Well, in effect, we've got to reword it and say the dog of Franco. And that would translate as le chien de Franco. Look again at the table. So how would we say the boy's dog? Le chien du garçon, the dog of the boy. Le chien de la fille. Le chien des enfants. Here's a summary. Du fromage, de l'eau, des souris. Le chien de Franco, le chien du garçon, le chien de la fille, le chien des enfants. Bon, c'est tout. Au revoir, à bientôt. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.